Hi there and welcome to Chop Chop Chef. What we're doing today? Big question mark. But from my ingredients, I think 90% of you know exactly what it will be. Because we have B for bacon, L for lettuce, and T for tomato. And then we have sandwich slices, right? So we're doing a BLT sandwich. Easy, right? But it has to be done. Okay, what I have, yes, I have just a nice good white bread today. You can use multigrain bread, you can use rye bread, easy. Bacon, surely, definitely what I recommend strongly is have rindless bacon. I have the streaky bacon, right? So this is sort of the belly part here, yeah, beautiful streaky bacon, which we will pan fry in a moment. Lettuce, yes, I use iceberg lettuce. Simply, it's nice and crunch, holds nice and crunch. Truss tomatoes I use, definitely use a good tomato, because the tomato, you want to have a flavor in your sandwich as well. Yeah, and then I will show you what I do with my fine chopped chives. And then for the spread for the sandwich, again, there's endless variations out there. Yeah? You can use any dip, any spread you really like. I just use a little mayonnaise. I put a little bit smoky barbecue sauce in there, a touch of mustard, and off we go today. But use guacamole, use Thousand Island dressing, or whatever you like to spread on. Hummus, yeah, tzatziki, you name it. Okay. But now let's do our bacon first, yeah, so we want to have this one a little bit crispy. Yeah, let's come over here. All right, we're putting our stove on full blast. Here we go. We want to have this one done. Okay. Obviously, I do only one sandwich, so I would say 2 of these bacon rashers will be more than sufficient. So we leave this one here, give it a nice crisp touch. I can smell this bacon already, because this one is a little bit of honey flavored. And comes out nicely now in the pan. Smoky, honey flavored. Yeah. Okay, this pan we turn a little bit back. You don't want to burn the bacon, obviously, but give it a soft, crisp touch. Already you can see in the back here I'm boiling some water here. We need this one as well in a moment, but let's do one thing at a time, not too many. There we go, we turn this one back, we put this one on the side, easy done. And this bacon, we come over here, we just let rest here, no problem. Now the next thing, what I said to you over there, is obviously the hot water. When I do my tomato in a sandwich, I like to have the skin off. You know why? When the people eat your BLT sandwich, yeah, with the tomato, with the skin on, sometimes it's a little bit stringy. So it's no big deal. We just take the core out here, bang, bang, bang. I think I showed you this once on one of my shorts. You're not that. And then we put a crisscross just along here, dang, just softly cut it in here. Now we take this baby and give it a water bath. Yeah, in the water, hot water. Yeah, so here we go. Let it go swimming for a moment. Not too long, we will see this shortly. Have already, when you do the tomato in here, have some cold water here. Yeah, because when this one is ready to go, we put it straight away into ice water, because we do not want to have a warm tomato in our BLT sandwich, right? Okay, we turn the water off. What you can do is, when you take it like here and you see the crisscross, just try. Look, it's working perfectly fine. You see, it peels off nicely. Choop. Okay, we give this a bath as well. Complete. Task complete. Very good. Now let this tomato be in there for a second. Yeah, so cool down nicely. For the lettuce, as I said to you as well, I use now the ice pack lettuce. I washed it already before. You can leave the leaves whole and put them on the sandwich like that, or like I do, I cut again just a little bit stripes, julienne. Yeah, I do not really want to have the complete the thick fat core. So this one here, easy done, and then we just cut it just a little bit. Yeah, don't have to be super fine. Can you hear the crunchiness of this lettuce? Exactly, that's what we want, right? Okay, so we put that one here. Okay, this is our lettuce. Now go back to the tomato. Hocus pocus. All right, look at this, how beautiful this peels off now. So beautiful, yeah, just nice. And the flesh is still very hard, you know, it's not soft from this quick hot water bath. Let's leave this here as well. I wash my hand. Now again to the toast bread, like I mentioned, different any kind of bread can be done. You don't have to toast your bread, right? But I will do. I toast mine today, golden brown on both sides. Yeah, put this in our Rolls-Royce toaster here. Bang, bang, bang. And let's do the trick. While this one is happening, we're slicing our tomatoes. Again, tomato which is cut into slices. When this is the tomato, I like to slice it this way. Okay. Not too thick. Yeah, have a look. Can you see the sort of the thickness? Yeah, we don't want to have it too thick. Yeah. It's probably just half a centimeter. There we go. Okay, now let's leave this tomato here for a moment, and I'll tell you all a little bit later on why. Okay, so we got this one sorted, this one sorted. Now we're waiting for our toast. Now with the toast, some people as well are toasting only one side. Yeah, so the inside of the toast. Yeah, because when you put all the things on, you don't want to have the toasted sandwich soggy. Yeah, and this when the inside is a little bit crisp, this prevents it as well. But let's see. Okay, and by the way, nothing goes without a coffee. Just one moment. Ah yeah, this is very good, this is very good. Okay, our toast comes nicely. And look at it, here we go. Here comes the babies out. Beautiful. Number one toast slice and number two. Here they are. Okay, so what I want to say here is now I put my spread on. Yeah, on both sides. I mean, the both slices of toast, I mean, not front and back. So here we go. We are not too shy on that. This is all part of the combination of flavors. Yeah, but here's the next thing is now when we're putting the next thing is the chive. So I want to push one here. Again, beautiful, beautiful. I like chives. Obviously, you notice this one, right? Here we go. Tack, 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 tack. Only on one side. Okay, now our lettuce goes on here. Now when we do this one, I mentioned this on a few sandwich preparations before, try to confine everything in the frame of the slice. Yeah. So here we go, have a look. Beautiful, and that's what I meant with the tomato. We want the tomatoes sitting inside. This is a perfect size of tomato, we don't have to cut it. So that's okay. Look at that. Yeah. nicely. And here it comes next. Here we can put a little bit of cracked pepper on. Yeah. If it is for immediate consumption, you can do the seasoning with pepper and a little bit of salt, by all means, right? But if you do it in advance, then the salt will extract the water out of the tomato and this gets soggy. Okay, now the bacon. Bacon, same thing. Try to stay nicely inside. And again, this bacon is perfectly tailored to that. Here we go. Done, done, done. Yeah, and while we have a little bit more lettuce, we put a little bit more lettuce on here. So that's that. Now we're putting that slice, swoop over here, give it a little bit of a press, and stage 1 of our BLT sandwich is ready. Some leaves, right? No big deal, just a little bit of leaves here. On these leaves we put a little bit of cracked pepper, a touch of olive oil. Yeah. This don't need always, a super dressing. Look, things like this can do the trick. That, and we have a little bit lime. So we put a few lime drops over this lettuce. Yeah, here we go, that's that. And now to our sandwich. You see, we do not have to cut anything on the sides because everything we have contained in our frame of the slice. Perfect. Again, now it's up to you. You slice the sandwich like that. You want to have it 4, you want to have a triangle, whatever you prefer, right? So what we're doing here now is Chop Chop Chef just cuts it diagonal. There we go, bang, bang, bang. And if you want, you can put a toothpick through or not, it's up to you. Yeah. But hocus pocus, have a look at this. And this is our beautiful BLT sandwich. Bacon, lettuce and tomato. And we're putting that on here. And yummy, yummy in my tummy. Thank you very much for joining me on Chop Chop Chef.